There is one setting that you can turn on that will keep you from ever overexposing your shots again. My name is John Meyer, and this is the Flying Filmmaker drone tip of the week. So the setting that you'll want to turn on is called the overexposure warning, also known as zebras, because it puts zebra stripes on any overexposed parts of your image. So to turn that on, we'll just come here into the settings, we'll go to camera, and then we'll scroll down here just under histogram peaking level is overexposure warning. And when you toggle that on, now if we go back to our main screen here, you can see this house over here is too bright, it's overexposed, and so it has those little zebra stripes on it. And so if we want to make sure that's not overexposed, we can just increase our shutter speed a little bit, and there you can see our zebras went away. Now there's nothing in our shot that is overexposed. Now it's not always a problem to have something overexposed in your shot. For example, if you're shooting into the sun itself is going to always be overexposed. If there's just little glints of sunlight reflecting off of, say, the water or off of a car or something, you will end up with little clipping in that area, and that's not really a problem. But as a general rule, one of the biggest things you always want to avoid is overexposing your highlights and clipping them, because there's no way that you can get that data back. So this can be a super useful tool. So that's it for this week's drone tip. You can visit flyingfilmmakerpro.com to learn how to shoot better drone videos, and make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of our weekly drone tips.